Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for viewing this video at any point in time. My name is Robert Barry, and tonight I'm coming to you from my home office here in the Bahamas. At the time of recording this video, it's 10:49 p.m., the 22nd of March, which is a Sunday. It was a beautiful day here in the Bahamas. Very quiet, not something usual, but nonetheless, it was a very beautiful, quiet day. And guys, tonight, what I want to do is I want to show you an opportunity that I'm a part of. I know many persons out there may be looking for an online business. What I want to do tonight is show you a little bit of what I do to earn a consistent, instant, daily pay online. And if you guys are interested, at the end of the video, I'm going to have my website link. If you guys want to partner with me in putting some extra cash in your pocket, I'll be more than happy to welcome you in the team. And as a bonus, when you partner with me, I show you all of my tips and tricks on automating your business, or how I automate my business, and I'm able to have my business running in the background as I am a part-time marketer, working my way up to actually doing this thing full time. So I do encourage you guys to stick around, watch the entire video. I'm going to give you a little insight of exactly what it is that I do. Okay. And right now, what you're looking at is a capture page that I would have created in another business. I'm going to reveal that business on another video. However, I want to draw to your attention exactly what it is that this capture page is saying. Okay, learn a simple copy and paste method of making instant cash online. Listen to me, guys. This is not a hype. This is not a fluke. This is a real life situation. The only thing I do 98% of the times to get leads, turn those leads into sale, are simple, catchy, eye-popping image ads. And I'm going to show you an example of how myself, and more importantly, how my team is duplicating this exact method and being able to put unlimited $25, unlimited $100, $500, and up to $1,000 in their pockets per a referral. Okay, so like I said, guys, this is one of the captured page I would have created in another opportunity, but nonetheless, it's my opportunity for the business that I am in, which is the $25 one-up opportunity. So at this time, I want to show you guys on how I go about emailing or doing email blasts in the back office of the $25 one-up system. Now, I already have the body of my email already on a notepad, and so I'm just going to simply copy and paste so I can just show you guys really quick on how I send out the email blast to persons that would have opted into this very capture page. And so this is not only for persons that are interested in doing business with me, this is also for persons that may not know how to navigate themselves to wanting to send out email blasts. And so I thought I should do a little training just to help out others. And so that's another thing that I teach persons on my team. Don't ever keep anything. When you leave the world, you should be empty. And so I am doing my little part in helping persons, even if you're on another team. This is to help you guys. And so right now I'm going to go into the back office of my $25 one-up system. And guys, I'm going to get straight into it. If you want to send out an email blast in the back office of your $25 one-up system, what you would do is you would scroll all the way down here until you get to contacts. You want to see the tab where it says broadcast. You want to left click that. Right, we're going to give it a little chance to load. All right, so here is where you would create the body of the email or the email blast that you want to send to your viewers. Now, like I said, I have already typed out my email blast, and this is it here. Okay, so I'm going to do a simple copy, come over here, all right. I just may have to type this. Let's see. Okay, guys, I think I may have to type this. And so it's just simply me saying, good morning, drop down. Okay. Maybe a few minutes here. Let me type this. It's just a FYI friendly reminder of my last email. You haven't already went ahead and paid your just give me a few minutes, guys. I wanna. All right, almost there. Okay, and then I'll drop down here and say something like, remember time wasted. Welcome you to the TE. And guys, this is very easy. Normally, I would have already been done. Let's say something like PS as to your SUCC S WhatsApp me. And normally I leave WhatsApp me. I would leave my cell phone contact. And then I would say something like send me a Facebook friend IQUEST. And guys, I would go over to Facebook, just copy this, go back, and I will highlight this entire, enter a link. Okay, so they would be able to go ahead and click send me a Facebook friend request, and it would take them straight to my Facebook page. All right, and so I can close that out. Now, if I wanted to add a picture, and you know what, I'll go ahead. If I wanted to add a picture, what I would do is I already have a picture in here, so I would just simply go ahead and add in a picture. Let's give this a few minutes. All right, so I'm going to use this picture here. This is what I would normally use. So what is happening here? Okay, there we go. So whenever the picture is too large, what you can do is highlight it and sort of like bring it down to the right size. You don't want your picture to be too big. You don't want it to be too small. And then another thing is what I normally do is because this wording is a bit small, I would take it up to maybe 18. And I would also change my font to, all right, I would preview. Okay, and so my email blast is simply saying this is a friendly reminder of my last. Okay, it should be saying last. I'll go back and correct it, but it should say last email. If you haven't already went ahead and paid your hosting fee, I highly encourage you to do so. Remember, time wasted can never be regained. I can't wait to welcome you to the team. So it's something very short and sweet. It has my telephone contact and my Facebook page. So there you have it. So I'm just going to go back quick and make those little corrections. So and also I want to say a product fee along with your along with your product level. All right, guys, so you can see, and then you want to click your spam, and then that's going to do a simple countdown. I'm not going to do that now. You can hit active. What I do is I just click all, and I set this. So for me, this is going to be my PM email. So right now it's the 22nd. I'm going to set this for Monday at 7 a.m. So that's set. I want to click send. So guys, that's going to generate and be set. Now what I want to do is I want to take you over to Facebook so you guys can see exactly what it is that I teach in terms of how to market my $25 one up. Okay, so this is a eye-catching, an example of an eye-catching picture ad that we post. So you can see it's very simple. And this one is saying if you have an hour per day, then I can show you how to post ads that converts and generate $25 to $500 per day. So as you can see, this member, she had a $600 day. Slide down here, show you another example. Okay, this member, she had a $125 day. And guys, you can see I'm not posting any links at all. None whatsoever. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of my personal. So as you guys can see here, I made $100 on this particular post. So what I did was screenshot the PayPal, $100 straight into my PayPal, and simple picture of me eye bulging, straight $100 straight into my PayPal. Simple copy and pasting. All right. So this is very easy. As long as you can copy and paste, you're able to make money with $25 one up. Like I said, guys, my link is going to be at the very bottom of this video. It was a pleasure bringing this video to you guys. I hope that I would see you on the team soon. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on another video shortly.